Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn grammar chapter 2, and that is alphabetical order. Letters of the English alphabet are arranged in a fixed order called alphabetical order or ABC order. So children, as we all know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet, and these letters are arranged in fixed order are called alphabetical order or ABC order. Okay. Hope so everyone got it. So next, join the dots in alphabetical order to complete the picture. Mark the picture look pretty by coloring it. So children, you have to arrange these letters in order to complete this picture. Okay, so that this picture looks pretty. So in this way you have to arrange it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then H, I, J, K, L, M, then N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So children, you have to mark this line with a pencil. Don't use pen, okay? And color it beautifully, and also draw this picture in your grammar copy exact how it is and color it nicely. I hope so everyone have understood. So next, did you know a dictionary is a book that has a list of words and their meanings? The words in a dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order. So children, dictionary have the collection of all the words with the meanings. Now a dictionary have thousand of words, isn't it? So how do we have to find the particular words in the dictionary? It is a thick book. It has so many words. So how do we do at that time? So you can see here the examples given. So here A, B, C, D written in an alphabetical order. Okay, so children, here you can see the example given. If you can guess, all these words are written in alphabetical order. So let's see. A, an, able, abler, ablest, above, absent, accident, abler, accept, accepts, accepted. So in this way these words are written in alphabetical order starting with the A. So children, in dictionary all these words are arranged in alphabetical order. So if you need to find out a words in a dictionary, you need to search in order, correct order in A, B, C, D till Z. I hope so everyone have understood. So now let's see in the another page. Write the letters in these words in alphabetical order. One is done for you. So these words we have to write in alphabetical order. So let's see. So here is the word pencil. So we have to make this pencil word here. We have to write in alphabetical order. Okay. So starting letter comes C first, then E, I, L, and P. So you may think now how it's come now in this way. So I will teach you is that A, B, C, then E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Got it everyone? Okay. So in this way we have to arrange all these given words in alphabetical order. Okay. I hope so everyone have understood. So now let's turn the page. Number B, look at the pictures of some fruits. Write their names in alphabetical order. One is done for you. So children, by looking the picture, we have to write their names in alphabetical order. Okay. So first apple, then banana, grapes, mango, then orange. Number C. Look at the pictures of some animals. Write their names in alphabetical order. So this also we have to write in the same way. By looking the picture, we have to write their names in alphabetical order. So first bear, giraffe, monkey, tiger, then zebra. The number D. Millie is celebrating her birthday next week. She writes down the names of her friends she would like to invite for her birthday party. Arrange the names in alphabetical order. So she is Millie. She has a birthday and she wants to invite her friends. So here the friends names are given. So these friends names we have to arrange in alphabetical order. So first come Bina, Jim, Rashi, Vina, David, Kitty, Simi, Isha, Mona, and Adalas, Tanu. So in this way we have to arrange this in alphabetical order. I hope so children you have understood about the alphabetical order of this lesson chapter 2. So till then our chapter 2 is completed. So all these answers write down in your English grammar copy, CW copy, and remember it. Okay, till then thank you.